multiplying whole numbers. There are two ways or two methods of multiplying whole numbers. There is long multiplication and short multiplication. I'm going to do both methods. I will start with long multiplication. We're going to use 346 multiplied by 254 as an example. So when you are multiplying numbers using the long method of multiplication, you can start by drawing a line like this, and then this on the right side of the line, that is where you are going to write the steps of your multiplication, and then you have to write place values. So these are the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So when we are doing long multiplication, we respect the place values of the numbers. For an example, this is 6 ones, this is 4 tens. 4 tens is 40, so this is 300. So we read these numbers as this one is 6, this one is 40, and this one is 300. The same thing here, this one is 4, this one is 50, and this one is 200. So how are we going to multiply these two numbers? First, we are going to say 4 multiplied by 6. So we're going to say 4 multiplied by 6. And then we're going to say 4 multiplied by 40. 4 multiplied by 40. And then 4 multiplied by 300. 4 multiplied by 300. And then we're going to say 50 multiplied by 6. 50 multiplied by 6. And then 50 multiplied by 40. 50 multiplied by 40. And then we say 50 multiplied by 300. 50 multiplied by 300. And then now we say 200 multiplied by 6. 200 multiplied by 6. Again, 200 multiplied by 40. 200 multiplied by 40. 200 multiplied by 300. 200 multiplied by 300. So that is how we're going to multiply. So now we can then here draw a line. So now we start writing the answers. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So we write it as 24. We do not carry anything. We move on to the next one. So this is 4 multiplied by 40. Because there is 0 here, when we are multiplying 4 by 40, this 0 will definitely come back here. Now you just say 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. So 4 multiplied by 40 is 160. Here you have got 1, 2 zeros. So you just take these 2 zeros, 1, 2, you write them there. So now you are left with 4 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 12. So 4 times 300 is 1200. Here you have got only 1 0, so you write it here. So you are left with 5 and 6. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 50 times 6 is 300. Here you have got 1, 2 zeros. So you write those 2 zeros here. And then you are left with 5 and 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So you write 20. So 50 times 40 is 2000. Here you've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So now we are left with 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So you write 15. Here you've got 1, 2 zeros. So it's 1, 2. So we are left with 2 and 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So you write 12. Here you have got 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you write 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then you are left with 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So you write 8. Here you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So here you've got, you are left with 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So you have finished your multiplication here. Now you have to add. You have to add these numbers. So here 4 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. You write 7. You carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So you have finished your multiplication. You have finished your multiplication. Now let us see if we will get the same answer when we do the short multiplication.